Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can invite participants to your assigned Kahoot quizzes in 2026. So let us guide you through this. So guys, what you want to do is navigate to your Kahoot account. Next, navigate to the library and click into Kahoots here. And here click into the given Kahoot quiz you have created. You can create ones by clicking into this button and convert it into an assigned Kahoot by clicking into this button. After that, the given Kahoot will be available in your reports. And here you will see the list of all assigned Kahoots here under that tab. So you may go through that list and click into the given one. As you can see, there's the same version of two versions of the same Kahoot. So let me archive that one. So guys, what you want to do is click into the given Kahoot, and here you'll see the overview or report of the given quiz or assigned quiz. And you may invite more participants either through that button here or through the participants list here. And no, you will need to return to the summary, of course, and use these options here. Like for example, you will see the invitation URL here. Click into it to copy it to your clipboard. Or, as previously mentioned, you click into Add Participants, and then you will see various options, like for example, using widgets to social media like Facebook, X, formerly known as Twitter, email invitation, Indeed, Microsoft Teams, and so on and so forth, or you use the invitation code here. And that's it. Now, each assigned Kahoot quiz has a maximum number of participants. In this case here, the maximum number is 10 for my account level. So keep an eye on that information as well. And also guys, each invitation has a deadline. For example, if the Kahoot challenge starts, I don't know, that one starts today on March 24th. The invitations will need to be either accepted or declined by the participants. Yeah, up to that time here, to that deadline. And that's it guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.